Hi.
Welcome back. Look who's here.
It's me.
Ivan.
Hi.
Yay! I don't think I've seen Ivan on this channel
Since
like
4 years.
4 years ago.
Hmm.
Yeah, guys. Our first
been a
collab
while.
was the 50 ringgit challenge, and we also did. Wait, what did we do? Oh, boyfriend does my makeup.
I remember
Boyfriend
that.
does my makeup.
And also, like, honestly, back then I didn't know how to put makeup on.
Are you kidding me?
Really?
It was good.
I had no idea. Really.
So he just put on makeup on me.
Oh yeah.
His signature style. So don't forget to check on the description box below if you guys are interested on watching it on his channel.
Yay.
So don't forget to check it out, and please subscribe to Ivan because I really like him, and he's so adorable, and he has a beautiful heart, guys. So don't forget to check him out.
I'm okay. I'm alright.
Yay. Today we're gonna talk about the current Korean fashion, makeup, hair trend. Because I've seen a lot of different trends going on in Korea right now. So yeah, let's start. I'm actually excited.
Me too. She lives here, so she'll probably know more of the trends than I do. I'm from LA, so I'm excited to see pictures and stuff
Yes.
to see too.
So the first one, okay, so the first one right here. So recently, Korea has been really into overline lips. Still has a little bit of gradation, but they kind of overline it.
Yeah.
So it looks like this. Slightly gradient, but if you still go over,
past a little bit, right? I love it.
I love it. I'm digging the whole full lips. Even if they don't have to do like a gradient type, I think it looks beautiful.
I think so too. I think it's very soft but full, not too harsh and full. I really like that look. I do it myself too, so I really like it. I like it. I like it when it's more matte, like a soft matte.
Yeah, I like it too.
Yeah,
like
soft.
slightly moisturizing, but still matte looking.
Not too not like the dry matte, more like the velvet.
Oh
touch
yeah,
matte.
I love that.
I like that too.
I feel like a lot of Korean brands, they recently came out with a lot of those type of lip velvet kind of line, and I've been loving all of them.
I like
They're
it
really
too,
pretty.
because it's not as drying as American ones.
Oh yeah, they're really slightly moisturizing too.
Yeah,
I like that.
So, does it transfer those? A little bit, right?
Some of them transfer, some of them doesn't. So
see.
it depending on the brand.
I see.
Okay, next one. I think this is still a current favorite in Korea. The glitter aegyosa. Do you still like it, or you're kind of over it?
I'm over it.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm still into it.
Oh.
I love how it gives you a really wet kind of look, and at the same time when certain light hits you, it just sparkles.
So, it's prettier. I think it's aesthetically, I guess, just different, right?
But I guess it's getting old, right? Yeah, because people still love the whole aegyosa, the eye bag.
It's still popular here.
It's still popular.
It
People
is
still
sweeter, though.
draw it, or they either draw it or they just get injections. So
it is sweeter. It makes you look very
young,
approachable and young. Yeah. So I see why people will like it. It's just personally, I don't do it, so that yeah.
I love it. I dig
good.
it. I still love it.
I think it's very sweet.
When you apply blush over, too much blush, that thing is pretty in right now too.
I love blush.
Oh,
Blush.
I like it too. Ivan just put a lot on me. I really like it. I'm digging it.
I go ham with my blush. Sometimes I even use 2 or 3 just to mix my own color. Because I feel sometimes just one color of blush makes it look very flat. I just love blush. I love different placement of blush. It gives you different vibes. So sometimes I put blush on my nose, sometimes on my cheekbone, sometimes under
right
the eye.
here.
Yeah.
Right.
That one's the cutest, I think. Right here is the cutest. And then right here makes you look more ethereal.
Right.
And then if you put it around the nose, it makes you look kind of drunk.
I like the drunk.
Yeah, me too.
They're really cute.
Yeah, I think I love blush in general. So, bing.
Next trend, arch eyebrows. It's really in right now in Korea.
Do you have a picture? I actually haven't seen arch eyebrows in Korea that much.
But the Korean version of arch brows are like this. It's slightly straight, but it goes a little bit up and then it goes down, but it's not too much. So in a way, when you look at it, it still looks a little bit straight, yeah. Like that. And I think thinner ones are really in too right now, right?
This is straight, right? And this is arched.
Right.
I like the arch better.
I like the arch better too,
Yeah.
but on some days I like doing straight because it makes you look younger.
It does, it does.
We're not getting any younger.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
We need all the help we can get.
I
with
know.
makeup.
The straighter, the better, people. As
Yeah.
long as we look younger.
Yeah. So before when I was younger, I did also do the straight brow.
Yeah.
But I think now I'm just like I like a little bit more arch.
Me too.
You know.
Me too. Moving on to hair. Hair, I feel like I've seen a lot of the Korean online stores like Chu, Style Nanda. Like one of their models, at least one of their models have really short hair. And short hair is coming back this year. And this girl, she's really cute. Like this.
Like pixie, almost like really short bob cut hair.
Yeah.
It's cute.
I really like it. I
like
dig
it.
it. Yeah.
I like short hair on girls.
This type of curly hair is in, but I've seen a lot of these.
Or like wavy hair.
Wavy and slightly. Have you watched Brave?
Oh,
the
yeah.
animation was
I know
like
what
Brave.
you're talking about.
Yeah.
I think it depends on the face shape.
Right. I dig it. I'm really into like new style and trying out different things. So I don't really mind it, but I think on me I'll look like a broccoli.
Like
It's just like poof.
Yeah.
I've tried once. I didn't look good.
I feel like it looks like it might look good with makeup on.
Right.
And without makeup, it could look messy. But if that's the look you're going for, then good. But I think without makeup, it might look a bit like bedhead.
I think it
messy.
might look more like you just had a fight with someone. It's like
And then
and you just came out like, oh my god, what's going on?
yeah. So if that's a vibe that you want, then go for it. But if you want to look cleaner, I feel like that's not
The
good.
short hair is really pretty.
Yeah, it's cute, cuter.
Apparently, a lot of the leopard prints are coming back. Do you like it?
Leopard print.
Like blouses, like just the print, but they're more like a fabric-y kind of type.
Got it, like flowy, right?
Yeah, the flowy. Hyuna wore it in one of her Instagram, and I've seen a lot of like Korean online shopping mall coming up with a lot of like different pattern of like leopard prints. They're really in.
I don't like it.
Really, I love it. I don't want it to be real. I like it all like false, like you know,
yeah.
fake.
Yeah, not
but
real.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. I like the
For
pink
sure.
one. Recently they came out with a pink type of
okay,
like
actually
leopard
pink
print.
might be cute. I'm into floral prints, so like I love like
Oh my god, me
flowers.
too. Have you seen my
Yeah,
hanger?
yeah.
It's like all
No,
flowers.
No, yeah, I like it. I like florals. Leopard print, maybe for girls it's different because I wouldn't wear a leopard print.
I think it will still look good.
Maybe I'll try one day. I'm going shopping tomorrow, so I'll look out for a leopard print
Yes.
that will fit me.
I also like floral
I love
pattern.
floral prints.
Yeah, they're really pretty and they're very girly too. And they're also really in this year. I think in LA or like in America in general, if they wear dress, they just straightly like wear dress. But in Korea, we wear like an inner like shirt, and then on the outer, like we
wear
add
dress.
like dresses on top
Okay.
of it. What do you think of that look? It's still really trendy this year too.
I think it will look cute if you're tall.
That is so true. People
Yeah.
like us, we can't wear
Yeah,
it.
it's difficult for like if you're short to put one more because I feel like it makes us look stubbier, like
That's true.
like heavier.
That's true.
So proportion wise, I think if you're tall you can layer a little bit more and still look long.
Yeah.
But if you're shorter and you layer a lot layers, it looks shorter. So
That is true.
yeah. But I don't
Unless
mind
you
it.
wear heels, but
Yeah, unless you wear heels.
if the dress is like not fitting and it just goes straight like that, it could make you look shorter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's very modest compared to like just wearing your dress.
Yeah,
It's
right.
very, like,
That's
you
why
know,
I like it because you just
yeah.
hide them
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it looks more like sophisticated.
Yeah, it is more sophisticated for sure. So it depends on the look you're going for.
One last one, logos. You know how like logos are the name of a brand, like they're really in right now, like Gucci, LV, Guess, Reebok, Nike. Do you like it?
I think certain brands
Me too.
are cuter than others. It depends on. I like Fila and Champion.
I love Feel Like Champion too. I
They're
like
so cute.
Champion's hoodie.
Yeah,
Their hoodies
I
are
love.
really nice.
I think Champion logo is cute. Gucci is cute.
I like Gucci, but only like a certain outfit.
Yeah. I like the Fila one for sure.
I like, how do you pronounce it? Moschino?
Moschino.
Moschino?
Yeah.
I think it's Moschino, right? I'm so bad at pronouncing
Me
brands.
too.
But I like Moschino because they're really like adventurous. And some of their shirts are actually really cute.
Cute, right?
Yeah.
I like it. Depends on what brand. Depends on the logo.
Kappa too!
Kappa is back also.
Yeah.
They like the tracksuit with the.
Yeah, it's so cute. I have the red one too.
I think it's very like. Is it 90s? I don't know.
I feel like the 90s and the 70s,
The
all the
80s.
trends are like coming back.
Yeah.
I like
cute.
the clip too, like you know, like the snap clip, and they put like
barrettes, right? Is it
they'll
called
like
barrette?
put it like that
Yeah,
nowadays.
super cute.
Oh, I'm digging that. I'm digging it
Yeah,
so
yeah.
much. It's so cute.
Yeah, I like those too.
Mm.
Yeah. So
And like
yeah,
really
cute.
dangly earrings, they're really back.
And like mom jeans.
Oh, I like
Mom
it.
jeans and dad jeans, I like it. And also like sneakers. Sneakers are, I feel like the old
Chunky ones
Yeah,
are really
yeah.
back right now.
I really like them also.
I like the Fila one. Yeah, I
The
think
whi-
you have the same
yeah,
thing,
the
right?
white Fila one I love.
They're beautiful.
So cute.
And they're so comfortable.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys find it helpful listening to us talk about the current Korean beauty, makeup, and fashion trend. If you guys have any requests, don't forget to comment down below and like this video if you guys love Ivan. And also don't forget to subscribe to Ivan because he's amazing. And I'll see you guys next time.
Bye.